It is a truly stylish, highly practical, incredibly fun, and remarkably smooth Android tablet. After testing the new OPPO Pad 3, I have just one thing to say. It is absolutely the perfect study and productivity tablet that I would highly recommend to anyone. The overall look is genuinely eye-catching. Its shimmering phantom finish reveals a dreamy, intricate starring texture whenever it is rotated. When placed in bright light, the back panel sparkles just like a starry night sky. It is truly a unique device. My soft-light version is only 5.9 mm thick, 12.1 inches, and weighs 577 grams. It's the golden size for a work tablet, making it super convenient to carry around. Then there's the 3K ICARE screen, and with the great color tuning, you'll find the display is incredibly clear and detailed. Compared to regular screens, the soft-light screen is much better at resisting glare, so it's less likely to distract you while studying. Especially after turning on the soft color mode, it looks even more like the real-life effect of a color e-ink screen. College students can use it to grind through practice problems and take notes, and it'll be easier on the eyes during long sessions. Next, on the software side, it's got PC-level file management and PC-level WPS. The interface is exactly like a PC, so you can totally use it like a computer to edit or handle all sorts of PPT documents when you're out. Plus, you can have up to 5 small windows open at once, move and resize them freely. The whole logic is just like Windows on a PC. A powerful 3-way split screen lets you view materials, take notes, and use an AI assistant. With the Reno phone, unlock full connectivity, log in to share 5G without a SIM, sync calls, texts, and codes instantly, seamlessly hand off video courses from your phone to your tablet. You could say the OPPO Pad 3 is the perfect partner for Reno users, and it's the ideal phone plus tablet combo for college students. Not only that, it's a tablet built for creativity, because this year they've brought the professional PC version of CapCut to the tablet. It has the exact same editing interface as the computer version, so now you can edit 4K blockbusters right on your tablet. Plus, they've collaborated deeply with apps like Zhangzhou Notes and Nayanian Journal. Now you can import live photos taken on your phone, like pets, pretty scenery, or food you've eaten, straight into the journal app. You can make your own personal life journal, anytime, anywhere, and a journal that can actually move feels much more lifelike. As for other specs, it's got the Dimensity 9000 Plus and a 10420 mAh battery. It's not just for work, its performance is more than enough for gaming too. With the new generation ColorOS 15 system, if you're just using it for work, it'll stay smooth for at least 4 or 5 years. Overall, if you want high-end looks, a PC-level work experience, and something that handles daily entertainment and movies, the OPPO Pad 3 is the all-rounder that means you don't have to compromise.